This is a basic tutorial on how to use Grabify. Step 1. Find a link you want to shorten. For this example, let's find some fox images. We're going to copy this link at the top here. Then we simply want to come here and paste it into Grabify to complete step 2. Then click on I agree. Step 3, we want to copy this URL here, and that's what we're going to send to our friend. So you can either right click copy, or you can simply click the copy button. Now I'm going to pretend that I'm the friend here, and I'm going to click on the link myself. So if we go to the link, we then get redirected to the original URL with all these pictures of foxes. Step 4, we want to come back to Grabify and we want to refresh the page. Here you'll see that we've had one click that tells you a bunch of information. Now to get more information, simply click on the log and you'll see you're greeted with all this other information here. To get even more information, simply turn on Smart Logger. Again, copy that link, send it to your friend to click. Once they click on it, again they're redirected to this page. If we refresh the page, we've got 2 logs. Click on the latest one and you'll see we have even more information. This was a basic tutorial on how to use Grabify.